Hey guys, it's that time again. We're going to do the Flower of the Month challenge. The flowers of the month for March are the daffodil or the jonquil. I like daffodils. They smell good to me. You can pick both, one or the other if you'd like. It is done on the 7th of every month at 3 p.m. EST. The March co-host is Daisy DIY, and I'm so excited to have her with us. Here are the rules. Use the current birth flower of the month for your video, and you just got to make whatever you want. Do a video, do a DIY, any kind of craft. Now, mention both me and the chosen co-host in your video and link to our channels in your description box, please. And if you'd like to be a co-host, please email me at mosovia@hotmail.com. That will be in the description box for you. Now, please be subscribed to both of our channels. Please use the hashtag FOTM or Flower of the Month Challenge in your title. And we hope to see you there, and thank you for participating. Say hi, Mojo. Yeah. Include a link to the... Now, also try to be including our link for the playlist. Please be subscribed to both my channel and the co-hosts.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.